Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zubair Al Mamun. Now I am a student in Daffodil International University, program Bachelor of Business Administration (BBA). I am completing my SHC in Kishineske High School. Then I am completing my SHC in Nojipur Government College. My hobby is bike riding, catch fish, gardening, and playing. When I am choose Daffodil International University, because the Daffodil International University is the most beautiful private university in Bangladesh. It has a large campus, green campus. It has a big field. Because I am playing game, then I am choose Daffodil International University. The Daffodil International University has provided one student one laptop. It is the very good thing, because day by day the world are modern. Then we can change build our successful skill. Then we day by day develop our skill. Then we learn the technical knowledge. Then I am marketing. My favorite subject is marketing. Then I need to develop website. Then to know the company knowledge. According to the Excel, Word, and the other side, it is the most important of. I am a business graduate. Then I am opportunity of my job. When I am educated in the Daffodil International University student, that I am proud in my. I am a student in Daffodil International University. It is our big achievement. My hobby is a corporate job than in any other company. The corporate company has the recommended in Excel, PowerPoint, Power BI is the moderate. Then we are available and habit day by day success our habit. It is most important.